Bismillah, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome back to me. I'm Jawad Ali Khatulisiwan. Today I will explain to you, giving the tutorial to you what totally stub area is. In previous video I already explained about stub area, but now I will explain to you what this totally stub area is. Totally stub area is, someone says, is more statistics than stub area. And then what is the difference of stub area and not totally stub area? So in the previous videos, like totally stub area is delete all of the external root and change it to become a default root, and you can still make a conversation with it. But totally stub area is delete all of the external and internal root. So instead of the OSPF and outside the routing of OSPF routing protocols, all of deleted and changed to become default root, but you can still ping on it. So how to configure it? So first, totally stub area is you have to only configure it on, I think it's on the router ABR, but let's configure it first. Area 1 stub, area 1 no stub, no summary. Area 1 stop, area 1 stop, no summary. Do right. After that, we can do show IP root. See, we can take a look of it. See, all of the previous IP root, like previously I already insert very many IP loopback, like loopback 100, 1 to 3, maybe the gateway 12/24, but all of them is disappear. But if you want to ping it, like do ping 100, 100, 100, maybe 4, it still can respond. Because why? Because totally stub area is much way is statistics than stub area. It's delete all of the internal and external root, delete all of the type LSF 45345, and maybe in stub area is only deleting 4 until 5, but totally stub area is delete the LSF 5, but they change it to become a default root, but we can still ping it. Like do ping 100, 100, 100, 100, 100. Let's ping to OSPF area 101. It still responds. You can see the difference, the big difference of stub area and totally stub area. It's very good, right? It's very easy to understand. I think you got it. Maybe that's all for me. Short tutorial videos. I'm Jawad Ali Khatulisiwan. See you around. Thank you for watching and listening my videos. Maybe that's all. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.